Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about your positional option strategy. So monthly once we are doing the stock selection based on the expected volatility. And this month, for the month of September, the data which we already updated here, and you can also verify whether all the data were right. So this month, last month we seen there is a huge number of stocks having more IV because of the quarterly results. And this month we can't able to find out much more stocks. Maybe in even IV or IVP and even IVR also we can't able to find out much more stocks. But after that quarterly results, there is an high volatility and even a downtrend. So we see we have a lot of opportunities last month. So most probably the directional and non-directional we can plan with this sheets, and here we may be trying for a directional move. So according to the movement of the stock, so based on the strategy which you have learned on the session, and maybe you can track the top listed stocks, but we didn't find out much more stocks here. So maybe this month we will be watching for that kind of directional strategies only. In non-directional, we have a very less number of stocks or even no stocks just came into the top list. Okay. So maybe it doesn't mean there is no big movement which is happening here in the market. It means so we didn't expect a high movement, but in this case we will be getting a clear movement in our stocks, which we can easily find out. So what you're planning with this non-directional based on our logic, so which you have learned to be either the strategy which we can use for 1.1 and future options, and one more thing, SBB kind of strategies which you can apply non-directional basis, same which you can use in directional basis also. But directional basis you need to wait for the confirmation of the trend according to the movement of the stocks. It may be uptrend or downtrend, but maybe non-directional, so we may not finding a much more stocks for the month of September. So already we have another one more scanners which we created with the Google Sheet. So that is also updated for the next month, and there is a weekly as well as monthly. Both should be same for the first week, and and weekly sheet is going to be updated every week before Monday, and monthly is only one time. So the month for September it is updated, and according to this movement, we will be able to find it out the stocks which can be top in the list. So we can able to find the stocks which is going to give the breakout. So by using our Google Sheet option scanner, we can plan for our 2.1, 3.2 FO strategies, SBB in either the direction or naked options also you can also plan with this kind of strategy. So if you know the risk and involved in this particular trade, so you may be able to use those who are already learned about our positional strategies. You can use this sheets for our scanner. So it is act as a scanner. It doesn't provide any buy sell things, and it is not created for any buy sell indication. It is about to scan those stocks which are performing in the overall market condition or on the particular time. So we already created a charting scanners also that is helping you to find out that those stocks are performing, and we find the stock, and after finding the stock we may be selecting the strike price according to our strategy, and we will be applying our strategies. But here in the sheet it directly find out the strike price and breakout point everything, and by using this we will able to easily find out where there is a breakout. And this one which you are updating for non-directional basis, but even you can use this sheet for the strike price selection and upper and lower range. So the expected range of those stock, or either the direction which is going to be performed. So that we are planning with this. This two things. And last month I think it's not good on market, but we will be initially finding out some put side, but after that we find a call, and finally this particular time, so we have some good opportunities in call side. But at the end of month, so we will be getting some many stocks. But one more update which is happening, I think the expiry dates are changed over. So let me check. I think Tuesday, right? What is the expiry date? Okay, so 30th September. So previously it was last Thursday, and this time for the September, so you can that expiry is 30th. Okay, that means the Tuesday, and you can up to 26th of this month you can able to track our position. And but how that physical delivery is going to be affected, when it is going to be start, maybe 25th or 26th, maybe the physical delivery start means. So normally we will follow that our strategy before the expiry week, but in this case up to 26, because expiry week is around 30th of this month, so we have a 2 days on the expiry week. But 4 weeks we are completely having the 4 weeks. Maybe we will check at the end of the month how that brokers are uh, planning for the physical delivery also. So this is what I think which we are seeing by using our strategy. And anyone who interested to learn our positional strategy, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here. It is purely a positional options strategies, and where you can learn how we can effectively filter some 2 to 3 stocks for the month as well as week. So it is not about any relating to intraday. It is purely a positional and big target, big stop loss, something kind of thing which is going to be learned on the session. So if you're really interested to learn positional one, so you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here. Okay, so let me check this, and we have started. We don't have any stocks here. Those who are already watching our this sheet, and you may be getting last month data, and now it is updated here for the month of September. So and inside Camarilla, so we have only few stocks for this, and this is also be a purpose for an breakout on Camarilla R4 level on daily basis. Based on the previous day closing, we will be finding out the stock which forming inside levels compared to the previous day R3 and S3. And today's R4 and S4, it's completely inside between the previous day R3 and S3. So that we consider as a inside Camarilla. So maybe on the next day R4 or S4 breakout, which we can look for those particular stocks. And here we will be directly fetching it on options itself. Okay, intraday is based on the Camarilla R4 breakout level. So those are all the options which is breaking the R4 levels. That sheet will scan you and tell you what are the stocks levels breaks the R4 levels. Here we mentioned that R4 levels, both the sides for a call as well as put. The strike price which we select based on the previous day closing price. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic, and those who are already using accessing this sheet, and you can also check whether is there any mistakes here. And recently I have updated for this month of September. Any questions or a doubt also you can just ping me here. This is what I mainly for stock option positional. Those who are learned our positional strategy, and those who are my old student, they can access the sheet also. So if you want to access these sheets, and you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. And this scanner is a paid one, so if you need more detail, just ping me on the WhatsApp. So thank you so much, and update for the month of September is also completed. Just keep following and watch and follow the strategy. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel.